Hello, this is Tim Hoffman, and welcome to my ELD 2-3 staff introductory video. Here's a page with a little bit about me. This is my 39th year working in education. I started off in Ohio and started teaching there many years ago. I spent about 12 years working overseas in Japan, came back to the States in 2004, and have been with FCPS ever since for the last 21 years. This is my 4th year at Chantilly High School. For ELD 2-3, one of the major things I want to let you know about is that this year the county is moving along with a curriculum that includes National Geographic's series of books. For ELD 2-3, it is called Pathways 2. And this is the approved course curriculum for students in this course. Digital materials are accessed through Schoology. And lessons on any given day will usually be divided into like a 45-minute or 60-minute or so instructional block. And then the final 30 minutes will be used for individual small group instruction and intervention. In addition to Pathways, students in this class will also be engaging in additional independent reading, research, presentation activities, etc. And there at the bottom of the slide, you see a sample pacing guide for Unit 1 for the first quarter for this class. Contact information is listed here. The phone that you can leave messages on is the phone that's in room 214. I teach most often in that classroom, and my email address is listed there, as well as in the staff directory for Chantilly High School and in Schoology. So many ways to contact me. Talking points is probably the best way that folks at home can get in touch with me. The bell schedule part, most of the bell schedule is here. Students know that this bell schedule pretty thoroughly by this point, and it can also be accessed online in the Chantilly High School website. Information here on these next two slides regarding grading policy is also included online, but I just want to give that information to you up front so you see some of the changes that are in place in terms of grading policy updates for the 2025-2026 school year. The cell phone policy has also been updated this year, and it is a waive for the day throughout the school day, except for the lunch periods in certain designated areas. In Schoology, course materials are divided into a number of folders, and the red folder is for class contact information, class info, tech norms, syllabus, grading policy, etc. The green folder is for current units, and the yellow folder is for past units. How we can work together is by keeping these communication channels open. Please reach out to me if you have any questions through the contact information that I've talked about already. I encourage your students to be the first line of advocacy in terms of, like, when they have questions, they should feel free to ask their teacher or their counselor. And if they still are not able to get a resolution, that, parents at that point might be the person to email the school or contact the teacher with questions. Again, talking points is the fastest way that I can get back to you. Okay. So once again, just in closing, I want to say thank you very much for paying attention to this ELD 2-3 staff introductory video by me, Tim Hoffman. I appreciate it. Thank you.